Easy guide to fill Form B for NRP's tax year 2025. Are you a non-resident Pakistani planning to buy or sell property in Pakistan? Learn how to save on taxes by filling out Form B correctly. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of filling out Form B, a crucial document for non-resident Pakistanis to claim tax benefits on property transactions. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the form. So first things first, you need to download the latest version of Form B from the Federal Board of Revenue website, or, you could download it from Dosti.com homepage. And hey, it's a good idea to print multiple copies of the form, that way you can have some for practice and, of course, for the final submission. Step 2. Gather necessary documents. Alright, now let's move on to the documents you'll need. Make sure to collect your passport with valid visa stamps for the relevant tax year. You'll also need documents related to the property transaction like the sale deed and purchase agreement, and if you have a tax residency certificate from another country, keep it handy as well. Step 3. Fill in personal information. Next up, you'll need to fill in your personal information. Start by entering your full name as it appears on your passport, then provide your current residential address. Make sure to enter your valid identification number, and don't forget to specify your passport number. Step 4. Declare residency status. Indicate the total number of days you spent in Pakistan during the tax year, from July 1st, 2024, to June 30th, 2025. If you were a tax resident of another country, specify the country name. Step 5. Provide entry and exit details. Refer to your passport and fill in the dates of entry and exit from Pakistan. If you had multiple entries and exits, list them all. Step 6. Property transaction details. Provide details of the seller or transferor of the property. Specify the property's address and other relevant information. Step 7. Verification and signature. Sign the declaration affirming the accuracy of the information provided. Fill in the date and place of signing. Step 8. Submission. If available, explore the option of submitting the form online through the FBR's e-filing portal. If online submission isn't feasible, submit the form to the concerned tax office along with required documents. Seek professional advice. Consult with a tax advisor to ensure accurate form filling and maximize tax benefits. Double-check. Review the form carefully to avoid errors. Keep copies. Retain copies of the form and supporting documents for future reference. Summarize the key points covered in the video. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thank the viewers for watching Tax Dosti YouTube channel.